Ebusuafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba GCN page so midin e de Addo search him mesro na wa subscribe to my channel nya notification bell on so for more news. Felix Apia a Facebook blogger ono e na host program about today political zone okasa de ma NPP amayoko no o kire se ope his excellency Nana Addo Akufo na stem ye papa because Nanado ebeye Ghana man penny wa yanyema bibra esese ye maintain NPP na ye the vice president Dr. Badu so ehye hona otoa enyapa ne so na Felix e na okase ni se mokin na ne se ye madam Mary Badu Yakopon e na we use haban ya me na we atua wakase sie no obompa bia asrebone fache we wrade ho se wode wani si eye his excellency Nana Addo Akufo ne so eya no ekeka nsema enim nsema ensem fatade kire no 2020 abra ebeto abai wa abra papa onye ohwe ni na nso so akodi o mampenda da John Drama ni Mahama nachi nanka wa akodi nachi a se no bia ntumi show bia se obi nko join the NPP ana se NDC na embom no mari ko ne de oye no na eye not and they wa kwa ehu se NDC nye na mu NPP na ye no wa sanso abade a na chese wo hunye hu nti nsema wo ka che eye His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo no ukonkotodwa ni bia se boniface we wrade ho because the way no wanye ni ye kra na enti nsema Felix ede etudwa.
That is the word you use. You use the word penny for the vice president to destroy the vice president. I don't know what God will do. Now you say you are in NPP. So what if the vice president now wins and becomes the flag bearer of NPP? What are you going to do? Are you going to leave now because according to you, Penny cannot lead NPP or Penny cannot lead this country again? Sometimes now we actually say, Mahama or ye Penny to say ya Sebi, ye papa, Baumia, so ye Penny na. Sometimes, yeah, Mama my yam fire out. We're gonna for me betina hana me catch mo. Better I'm catching them say Mary Badu on any day shouldn't have been a bad person at all. Okay, when I started working on it. But Wama Bibi a friend or yaw. Or yaw, I wanted to be noticed. I wanted to be part of something. You people didn't give me the chance to do what I want to do. You people didn't give me the opportunity to do what I want to do. Enti abeye bonyono amame. Enti na Mary sorry na oka bibia keke. I told you people this. I told you people this. Na kebeye den obabesie nyane no waka se storm out. Opese di si wa America na nka ye koku omo MPs no. Any of no, including the vice president, no, Ghana. This is how you take power. NDC you to look at what the Americans are doing. That Marie, I will remember you these words so that when you go on your knee and pray, you will ask for forgiveness. You sat on your platform and insulted me, said meeting me, but I'm meeting you to trying. Me trying. And saying I'm agent is a guy. They say I need him. I'm going to baby into life and I buy a bed. But Marie, you kept your kids, fed them good, and told the Ghanaian kid that cannot afford Gerisokin spread to say Uncle because they didn't give the Abano to Mahama. I feel when we say Mahama you're incompetent. I feel when we say Mahama and your papa. I think when we say NDC in your papa. So, Marie, what would have happened if they have made you the chair lady or whatever you were vying for in UK in Tia? Only UK for these days, I can't want to send you. Information, but I decided to say, let me leave you. Minya information, only NDC if we're a UK. Black, Evangelist Bradella, sorry for failing you, but I'm not here for the views. Why? I'm here to give information to the people that want to get information and not for the views. yeah, and this, yeah. They thought when they do that. Huh? Now, let me ask NDC, especially General Esiedun Ketia, a question. Did you think the spirit of caterism, or cater, the cadres, you think that thing was going to be in NDC after Rollins died? One day, I will bring Rollins' senior sister here for her to talk to you people. The reason why your party can't get a message and everything about Mahama goes uproar. You really thought, say, Onipa no decide to try some susum ni shame, no ma pamono ma chain no mo so a dog. You have tamed the backing dog. And you still think, say, you still possess that spirit. I say, don't get ya. Stop using and throwing people's children into danger for them to die in Kwasiewo for your own stupid ambitions. Rollins, no, this, boot one buy and oko. Now, Rollins' sister told me point blank, say, my brother left with his party to the grave. And that is why we did not give his body to the family to bury, so that Esiedun Ketia can have power and influence over it. For some of you who don't know, the sister told me direct, say, and this for Shaida Kwebusia for no say, woman and an Akufo Addo say, omu per body no, Rollins body no, omu mesien womu krom. Madam, if you are watching me, sorry, today sometimes you have to let some secrets out. We asked, say, NDC didn't want the almost time, said Rollins here near to the point, say, the man had to run away from his own party and try to form a different party with the wife. And if you are in NDC thinking, say, Rollins, this, I've told you people, these days, NDC, someone pay message be a map. I'm a young so just ye back to Obama mo. Na mo be ya mo say mo pay message Ghana head and I got to Obama mo lose. Na mo be say mo be say buanka ye be bom Ghana no. Buanka this time ye be bom no. Ashama dia kakra na musu. Oh. I told you people something. These NDC people, Mama Babs, welcome. These NDC people. We are going to Johnny. I told you people. What call NDC ni page so? Utie. And answer when the NDC ni shia. Na mudin komona aka jense we aboa. And answer onwedi kaka chiro say we aboa. Na say wo yo ho say oh, bra adan na wudi atem. Afekwa na wa power no. Obedidu atem mo. Kwase Jimmy the NDC ni no. And this nigga saw your boss, you can cheer Kwasi penny pass 8, they to was or MPP Niana 8, another. That is how they like. Okay, so mammy was so mammy no papa deny Jimmy for no about break. Hey, Debbie, none of the MPP for boy Ben on with the Nabe. And this nigga so we are Jimmy for okay, Jimmy Trano. And why I know I attend to no say Debbie, I didn't know about down for them. Ghana Yerkui. Who has ordered and threatened more people in Ghana than that stupid party called NDC? Today they are getting a taste of their own medicine and they can't swallow it.